Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on charity donation on live stream on Twitch. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Twitch Charity Tool makes setting up a charity stream easy for affiliates and partners, which you can do straight from your creator dashboard in just a few easy steps. Maybe for some reason you just accidentally disable this feature. You turn off this feature from your Twitch. Now you want to turn off this feature again. How to do it? So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Twitch. Now you can go to your settings by tap on the profile on the bottom right here. Tap on the creator dashboard. You can go to stream manager. Tap on the upper right corner the settings on here. You can scroll down and you'll find there's an option on charity donations. You can just enable this feature by tap on the toggle in here. So now you have enabled this charity donation on your Twitch live stream. It's so simple, right? So that is how to enable, how to turn on charity donation on Twitch live stream. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.